During facility maintenance inspections, ground resistance measurements are performed. The standard method for measuring ground resistance involves disconnecting grounding electrodes from the building's electrical system, which requires turning off the site's power. This step ensures accurate measurement of the target grounding electrode. However, turning off power isn't feasible for places like data centers and hospitals that need to run all the time. For these situations, using a clamp for measurement is a practical solution. In this video, we demonstrate the MEC function, a technique for measuring ground resistance without disconnecting the grounding electrode. First, we begin by measuring the ground resistance values of grounding electrodes 1 and 2 using the 3-pole method. These will be the reference values. Next, grounding electrodes 1 and 2 are connected to simulate a shorted state. Using the MEC function, the ground resistance of these electrodes is measured. As you can see, the results closely align with the reference values. Also, we checked the measurement while shorting the grounding electrode. Turns out it's pretty different from the reference value. In the measurement process, the current flows through all the grounding electrodes that are connected. The ground resistance is calculated by the meter with V over I, but the value that we really need is V over I1. That's exactly what the MEC function does. It measures the I1 current using a clamp sensor. Because it specifically targets the current flowing to the grounding electrode of interest, the measurement is not influenced by other grounding electrodes. By adding current measurement with a clamp sensor to the 3-pole method, ground resistance can be measured while the grounding electrode remains connected to the power system. This eliminates the need for disconnecting the grounding electrode, which saves time and effort on measurement tasks. The FT6041 supports both ground resistance measurement by the 3-pole method using a clamp sensor, and for more accurate measurement, the 4-pole method with a clamp sensor. The FT6041 from Hioki, embodying field-capable and fast-working excellence. Discover more on our website.